Hey Sophie,
Hello.
what's your ultimate recipe for happiness in life?
Ooh, that's a good question, actually. Ultimate recipe for happiness for me would be um, making sure every single moment of my life is lived with purpose and love. Yeah.
Wo- Would that's a fairly broad statement. Could you elaborate on this a little bit to anybody
Yeah.
watching
So
this video?
for me, the biggest thing in my life is to spend my time with those that I love the most. I don't want to be spending my time, wasting my days away sat in a traffic jam or working in a call center, for example. I want to be with my family, my baby boy. I want to be with you, my husband. You can hear my baby boy behind the camera. I want to be walking here with my dog like I am now. And yeah, I want to be able to do this as much as possible in my life.
Perfect. Oh, no, that makes a bit more sense to me. But what about the purpose? That's I can definitely sense that many people will have a different definition of living life with purpose.
Yeah.
What does living life with
I think
purpose
with
means to
purpose
you?
it means having a clear intention for how you want to live your life. So not bumbling through your days, just cruising along and wasting the days essentially, not just like a lot of people have this carefree almost like they think that life is going to continue on and on for them, whereas living a life of purpose means you have a clear vision for your life. It means you know which direction you want to head in. You may not know what path it's going to take you to get there, but it means that you have a vision, a goal at the end of it all, let's say, and you're aiming towards that vision. That's what it means. Living a life of purpose means having a vision for your life.
What's your vision for life?
My vision? Really want to know? My vision is to live as flexibly as possible from the work point of view. So have the freedom to travel the world with my family and teach my little baby boy how to enjoy the world as much as I do. That's my vision.
And have you got any plans already
Absolutely.
for
It's all lined
showing
up.
him the world?
Definitely. As of next year, I'm hoping that we're gonna be able to take him overseas and live there for a while, and he'll really experience the beauties of this world. Yeah.
Perfect. No, that's a great summary of the topic that is quite important actually
It is,
to
yeah.
to many people, and
And it's a question that people should ask themselves as well. They should ask themselves, what is the purpose of my life? Where am I going with my life? What's the direction that I want to be heading in?
so what are you doing in this forest then?
This is our Saturday afternoon fun. So we're just enjoying ourselves as a family, having some hours together, away from the boredom of regular life, I suppose. Let's say, and we're just enjoying ourselves out in the forest.
And would you say you're happy right now in this
I'm the
very
happiest
moment?
I can be ever. Yeah.
So
This
does
is my place. Yeah.
and how does this link with the purpose?
Well, it's all part of it, isn't it? It's all experiencing life. It's all experiencing the nature, experiencing a new place, exploring its variety.
And how does an online business help you living that life of
The online
purpose,
business,
that
yeah.
life with love, and how does an online business enable you to live a happier, more fulfilled life?
The online business has enabled us as a family to spend much more time together. We still have to work with the online business. We have to invest some time with it, but at least we're together for that. We're not separated. You, Christoph, working 20 miles down the road, for example, away for 10 hours of the day. We're physically together, and we can work on something together which we both feel super passionate about. We both have the same goal, the same inspiration to live this life together, and the business it's built around that passion, and we're doing it together. That's what's the most amazing thing about it.
I think it would be a lie to say that we haven't done some work
It would be a
today.
major lie. It is time investment. It is work to run a business, like running a standard business's work. But the fact is that you get to choose when you work, and you get to choose your hours. You get to choose how much time you invest in it. You know, we just had a 3-week holiday away in Poland where we maybe did 2 hours of work, if that. The rest of it was spent purely with our family, purely eating nice food and drinking nice drinks. And then when we came home, we realised actually we want to invest a bit more time in the business, so we have been investing some time in it. But it's what you put in and it's what comes out. The fact is that you make the decisions. It's your business, you decide when you want to work and how you want to work. I want to inspire people. I want to share my enthusiasm for life with other people and inspire them to make a change in their lives. Inspire them to live every day a little bit better each day.
And is online business a solution for everybody?
Not for every single person. I think some people enjoy working the 9-to-5 system. They enjoy that predictability. But if you're a person that wants to create something based around your interests, which you're in full control of, and which you can get truly passionate about, then an online business is definitely for you.
Brilliant. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of the walk.
I will.
I'll join you on that.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.